Before you start with the installation, please also read the installation and operation instructions for the device. First, unpack the device and remove the locking pins and display protectors. Transport the device to the prepared table cutout by holding it on the left and right of the housing. Alternatively, you can hold CONVERS and fold devices at the inside of the holding frame. Slowly lower the device into the table cutout from above. We recommend that a second person supports the device from below. When inserting the device, make sure that no cables are crushed or bent. If necessary, secure the device with the optionally available brackets on the sides of the housing and on the table. Now insert the plugs for power, video, LAN, etc. into the sockets provided on the side of the housing. If the device is not connected to the network via LAN cable, you have to consider a LAN timeout of approximate 60 seconds duration. Please wait until you hear a beep. Your Element 1 device is now ready for operation.